video of the night is this thing. It's a ULANZI R094. It's a little claw thingy which I bought. Hook your camera up on this side. This thing claws down. And what I like about this is it's not plastic. It's billet aluminum. It's not this plastic shit that people sell. It's starting over here a little. So you want to mount it on here, you just go like this. You just clamp that shit on there and just put your camera up there. Holds on. It's not made of cheap, whatever the hell thing it is. There's a screw in here for something. I'm guessing that a screw-in thing can also go like, let's see. I guess this ball comes off and you can move it. Oh, hold on. There's two spots on it. I haven't really, here, let me put this down here like this so I can show you. See, there's a screw on here. And this thing, I don't know if it comes off. It's not, but there's a little screw hole in here. I'm guessing it's for a tripod mount or something. Well, I know it's pinned in there, but maybe if you want a selfie stick or, I don't know, put in a rod or... It's really cool. I'll edit the other part out that let me look around here. It's made by ULANZI. They make really good shit. Like, yeah, see, it's better out. You can see. This is aluminum. This is plastic. Handle's aluminum. This handle's aluminum. I think the whole damn thing is metal. There's no plastic on this, which is cool. I find all the plastic ones are junk and break. See, it's really neat. They make good quality stuff. You turn it this way and you can adjust it like that. You can turn this way, you can do it this way, and it's good because it's camera adaptable. So, or you can just play dinosaur, right? Yeah, I'm a dinosaur. Open my mouth. See, hungry dinosaur. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Anyway, enough of stupid things. If you like camera products and don't like shit plastic, billet aluminum's the way to go. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, do the little button dance, check out all the people listed, and thanks for watching. And woohoo! I'm having fun making videos, so I will get back to this. I gotta get going. So toodles. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.